Hello co-visualizers, how's our rendering going? It's visual arts time. This video is progress time lapse from one of my oil paintings which is part of the Maarte exhibit held here in Bahrain with the rest of the Filipino artists. The title of this painting is Garden in the Sky, the Tam Awan village in Baguio City, Philippines. The size of the painting is 90 by 60 centimeters in canvas. Tam Awan village is an artist haven, a place for art exhibits, workshops, and other creative endeavors that showcase the rich cultural heritage of Cordilleran people. Thank you for watching guys. Please click like and subscribe if you want more of my visual arts. Keep safe always. Okay, Doc.